My name is Dan Hune. I work for Bemis Manufacturing. I'm one of their formulation chemists here for their polymers. And what we're talking about today is what makes Retail Solutions shopping carts better than your standard hybrid or other all-plastic cart. And the first thing, from my perspective, is that it's got better polymers. It's got better polymer chemistry and better polymer formalization. ESCR refers to the ability of the material to resist environmental stressors that cause it to fail. So a cart that has a low ESCR, and in this case this cart probably has an ESCR of somewhere less than 10 hours, you're going to find that when it gets in the field, after a short-term use, I'm talking maybe a year to 2 years, you're going to see it to start to crack or start to have surface blemishes and start to look inappropriate and then possibly have parts of it broken. On the Retail Solutions cart, you're going to have a cart with a high environmental stress crack resistance. And the stress crack resistance for this one is going to be somewhere greater than 1,000 hours, and like I said, for this one, it's probably going to be about less than 10. So let's talk a little bit more about what the ESCR test is. It's a test used in industry, the plastics industry, that takes a sample from the lab of a specific size and dimension, and it immerses it into a chemical called igipol. And that chemical is going to cause the plastics and anything in there that would cause it to fail is going to cause that to accelerate. So the igipol on a test for this, we're going to take a small piece about this large, and we're going to put it in a tank, and we're going to allow that with some stress on it to stretch out and break. Now, like I said, this one's going to last about 10 hours. This one's going to last well over 1,000 hours. And what you're going to see is, in the field, compounds like igipol are going to be in everyday items like hand sanitizer, wipes, things like cleansing wipes and things like that. It's going to contain some sort of detergent in there. And when it gets on the plastic cart, whether it be the cart itself, the child seat, or the handle cover on there, it's going to be in there. And what's going to happen is it's going to cause all those components to accelerate their failure rate. If you have a very short-term ESCR, you can look at having that fail really in less than a year. On a cart like this, even if you wipe it down in bleach wipes and you have hand sanitizer and kids and everything, you're not going to see a failure on this. We haven't seen a failure on this in well over 10 years due to any stressors.